As the first light of dawn filters through silent, dew-kissed leaves, the sun tiptoes into the world with golden fingers, awaking nature to a brand new day. Across the endless sea of worlds, the hum of the harvest begins. Modern machines glide through these sowing stalks, gathering the rewards of months of passion toil. It's a moment where tradition meets progress as the field yields its bounty to feed a world waiting. It's a sight that's sure to captivate the eye. When the receiver overflows, the receiver bells transform into a hub of local life. Some gaze intently at the rushing currents, skillfully capturing the shimmering bounty of the overflow, while others find joy in the cool embrace of the water. Nearby, endless streams dance and laugh upon ancient rocks, their rhythmic pulse serving as a gentle reminder that life itself is an eternal, flowing journey. Venturing deeper into the heart of the forest, amidst the towering trees where only the wind dares to whisper, one truly realizes that even silence speaks a profound language of its own. As the sky finally brushed with the golden hues of evening, a deep stillness settles over the earth, leaving us with the quiet promise that nature's grace will return to greet us once more tomorrow.